Alright, right now we're at Riverfront Restaurant, and way over there's a bird that we're trying to play with. I gave it a piece of my shrimp. We're gonna go see what it does when I get closer to it. Look at it, it's a bird. You can see the piece of shrimp. See? Look. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? Poor little birdie. It's over here. Oh, dang, it's fine. Where'd it go? What was that? Oh, oh, the bird's over there on the menu. And it doesn't look too happy. It took off again. I don't know how to zoom. Yeah, I like that food too much. Alright, we'll keep you posted.